Can this be really true? Oh, how I wish I had you. What up? I wonder what the guys have said to you.
And here I unveil the ackee and salt fish. Beautiful. Flaky fried dumpling. Beautiful fried plantain. All we need now is some butter, the hard-boiled bread.
And if they didn't call you sweetness, and if they didn't call you niceness, and how about sugar dumpling, then I guess they didn't tell you nothing, no. And if they didn't call you sweetness, and if they didn't call you niceness.
These are some good-looking dumplings.
Yes, I'm going to turn that down.
Whee! Can't wait to chomp on one of those.
The notorious Scotch bonnet pepper, which is supposed to be the hottest pepper around. I don't know if that is true, but that's what Jamaicans think anyway.
You get something every woman's craving for. I myself wish I had you behind my door. I just don't wanna call you sweetness, I just don't wanna call you niceness. And how about sugar down?
Fish decorated. Faye's masterpiece.
How about sugar dumpling? Then I guess I just don't call you nothing, no. Wish I had you for myself. No. Hate to share you with even your mama and your dad.